The Fadal INV-0040 is a spindle motor control out of a Fadal machining center. This particular driver came into ERD dead, which required a full and complete breakdown and rebuild. We were able to bring it back to life and then test it as shown in this video. This particular driver by Fadal is a customized Baldor vector drive, which disables the auto-tuning normally used with the Baldor. It also has a custom I/O, which is specific to the machining center. We ran the drive on a linear load as shown, as we did not want to disturb the custom parameters contained within the drive for the specific spindle motor. With the linear load, we are able to check all the proper phasing, and since we replaced the output transistors, we were not worried about a breakdown under load. ERD has repaired a wide variety of makes and models of spindle motor controls over the years, and we stand ready for any challenge with these motor controls. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.